Wavefront. Locus of points which are at the same phase of vibration is termed as wavefront, or a wavefront is defined as a surface of constant phase. Let us see the different types of wavefronts. Look at this diagram. A set of parallel waves which are coming from infinity. These are the direction of the parallel waves. For a set of parallel waves, wavefronts are plane in nature. So these are the plane wavefronts which are parallel to each other. In this diagram, S is a point source which emits waves in all possible directions. So wavefronts are spherical in nature. Any number of wavefronts can be drawn. All these wavefronts are concentric spheres. This is a linear source represented by PQ. For linear source, wavefronts are cylindrical in nature. So these are the cylindrical wavefronts for a linear source. These are all the circular wavefronts. Mainly when a pebble is dropped on a still water surface, the water surface is plane, the wavefronts which are circular in nature are produced. So these are the concentric circular wavefronts. Huygens principle. Huygens principle explains how a wavefront advances in the forward direction. Look at this diagram. AB is the wavefront, CD is the forward wavefront, EF is the backward wavefront. On the wavefront AB, each point on it acts as a source of new disturbance which send out secondary wavelets. The envelope of these secondary wavelets will be the new wavefront. So there are two envelopes, CD and EF. If the wavefront is advancing in this direction, then CD is the forward wavefront and EF is the backward wavefront. According to Huygens, backward wavefront is not having any effect since the wave is advancing in the forward direction. Let C be the velocity of light or velocity of wave. In time t, distance travelled by the wave equal to C into t. If B is a point on the wavefront AB, in time t second, the disturbance travels through a distance ct. So we can draw the secondary wavelet. The tangent or envelope of the secondary wavelet is the new wavefront. So thus we get CD, or D is the point on the secondary wavelet for the point B. Similarly, many points can be considered over this wavefront AB. So all these secondary wavelets travel through a distance ct. Hence, the tangent of all these wavefronts, secondary wavelets, will be the new wavefront CD.